Namaskar, welcome to the Government e-Marketplace. In this module, we'll walk you through the process of selecting bid inspection as a method of inspection while creating a bid on GeM portal. Bid inspection is only available to those ministries who have registered their empaneled inspection agencies onto GeM, currently MHA, Defense, Petroleum and Natural Gas Railways, etc. Have such agencies registered on GeM? Now, let's begin the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and go to the GeM portal at gem.gov.in. On the top right-hand side of the page, click on the Login button to sign in to your account. Once you've logged in, a notification about pending payments may appear. Simply click on the Confirm button at the bottom right of the pop-up to proceed to your home page. You will now be on your GeM homepage. From here, you can search for the product you need to procure. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you wish to create a bid for. After you've found the product, it will be added to your shopping cart. Click on the Bid button to initiate the bid creation process. You will now be on the bid creation page. To initiate a bid inspection, you need to select Yes for the Inspection Required option. This will enable the inspection clause for your bid. A pop-up window will appear, explaining that an inspection clause will be incorporated into the bid. Read the message and click on OK to continue. Next, you will need to choose the type of inspection. This drop-down will give you options like post-dispatch or stage-wise inspection. Select the type that best suits your procurement needs. After confirming, you'll see a new field for empaneled agencies. From the drop-down list, select the specific agency you want to handle the inspection for this bid. Once a bid is published, sellers can view it on the GeM portal. They can search for the bid and, once they find it, click on the Participate button to submit their offer. As part of the participation process, the seller will be prompted to fill in the inspection details. This is where they provide information such as the contact person's name, phone number, and the place of inspection. After the bid has been submitted and the technical evaluation is complete, the buyer can review the details of the participating sellers. Moving on to the financial evaluation, this is where the buyer can see the offered items, their prices, and the ranking of the sellers. For a bid with inspection, the inspection location and other details will also be visible here. Upon opening the bid, the buyer can get all the inspection details, including the place of inspection and the type of inspection selected by the seller. This allows for verification of the information provided. To formalize the inspection process, the buyer must click on the Submit Agency Authority button. Buyer, after selecting the inspecting officer details, have to save the details. The selected agency and inspecting officer details will reflect here. After choosing the inspecting officer, the buyer needs to click on the Save Item button to save the details. To conclude, Government e-Marketplace gives the option of choosing bid inspection as a method of inspection while creating bid. This option is only enabled for the ministries which have registered their empaneled inspection agencies onto GeM. As of now, MHA, Defense, Petroleum and Natural Gas Railways, etc. have such agencies registered on GeM. Thank you.